besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a Skims haul on my most favorite collection from her, the vintage tea collection. I've tried many collections, but this one is amazing. Like, I can't recommend it enough. It's just perfect staple basics to have in your closet and they'll never go out of style. It's just basic teas. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off with the one I actually have on. I can't remember what pink color this is, but I'll put it in the comments down below. It is just a thin, lightweight shirt. Just keep in mind with how thin they are and the colors they are, you will pit through it if you do sweat a lot like I do, which does not bother me. I will still wear the shirts with no embarrassment. I don't really care, but just keep that in mind for some of you guys that do care. They all fall at the perfect crop length and have like a pretty vintage wash color to them. I have been obsessing over pink recently, so I'm super glad I got my hands on this one because they are kind of hard to get. So if you ever see them in stock, grab them or let your girl know I'm a size small. If you ever see them, tell me on my social media because I will seriously buy them all in whatever color I don't have. I'm actually wearing a bra of hers underneath in a darker color, so it is slightly see-through. But I want to turn around so you can see the back. Just a cute, comfy, basic. Here it is in black. I know she actually doesn't list it as black, so I'll put that one in the comment section as well. I should know with how much I love Skims. I should know every color, but I don't off the top of my head. Just do me a favor and buy one when you see it in stock. I'm telling you, you're going to be addicted and fall in love. Get every color possible like I did. Here it is in this really pretty brown. I actually used to really hate brown, but with it being like this pretty wash color, I'm starting to actually really like it. And this is the short sleeve version of it. You're either gonna love it or hate it with how short the sleeves are. I prefer it this way. It's like a cute little baby tee style. And this one actually might be a little bit shorter. This is in the color ash, and if I do forget to say, I'm wearing a small in all of the shirts. Another stunning color. She kills every color, I swear. It is literally, if I were to make a brand, this would be it with these basic tees and colors. She selects this, I can't remember the name, I'll put it in the comments. I already ripped off the tag of this shirt, but it's kind of like a bluish gray. I'm finishing up with my favorite color. It's in silver. It's like a grayish purple, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe the color. It's not silver to me, but I really do like it. I've recommended this collection to so many friends and they have absolutely loved it as well. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what one is your favorite color, if you've tried it, if you're wanting to try it. I will help let you guys know when she restocks. Keep an eye on her social media. She's pretty good at announcing it, or you can sign up for her emails. But that is it for today's haul, guys. I will see you in the next YouTube video.